In this video, we'll cover 5 unique Loocey features that will help with winning more awards. Loocey is the #1 all-in-one DLA supplier software. Built to help with all aspects of DLA business. Let's get started. The #1 cause of failure in DLA supplier businesses is the time wasted on bidding on RFQs that have minimal chance of an award to third-party suppliers. This is because many approved sources bid directly in DLA and will usually have the best pricing. The good news is that we've done all the hard work of data analysis in Loocey and have a flag for this. To filter out these RFQs, simply go to the RFQs list, add a new filter, select AS bidding, which stands for approved source bidding, and set the value to unchecked and hit apply. And this will remove RFQs that have an approved source that's bidding in DLA. When you mouse over the checkbox, it'll show you more details on how this flag I set. #2 on our list is being able to skip RFQs, where the same company keeps winning a particular NSN. Unfortunately, this happens quite often for many reasons, such as exclusive approvals, long-standing supplier relationships, or pricing advantages that make these RFQs extremely difficult for other suppliers to win. The good news is that we have a flag for this in Loocey, and it's easy to filter out these RFQs. Go to the RFQs page, you'll see the same winner column. If you mouse over, there is a tooltip that explains more on how this flag is set. To confirm that the flag is correct, we can always check the NSN history. Click on NSN to open the NSN dialog and go to the History tab. As you can see, we have several awards given to the same awardee or winner. Let's close the NSN dialog. To filter out these RFQs, open Filters, click Add New Filter, select Is Same Winner column and unchecked for the value and hit Apply. The system will now remove and show you RFQs which have that flag unchecked. By filtering out NSNs dominated by a single winner, you can focus your time on RFQs where you have better winning chances. Next, #3 on our list, finding local manufacturers that have open RFQs. This is one of the best ways to gain an edge over your competitors. If you can identify manufacturers or approved distributors located nearby, you can visit them in person, and nothing beats a face-to-face relationship. The challenge is finding manufacturers that are not only close to you, but also have open DLA RFQs you can act on right away. As you may guess, this would be nearly impossible to do manually. Well, Loocey comes to rescue again. In Loocey, we have what's known as Advanced Related Data Filters, which combine the open RFQ data with other data, such as approved sources, and you can filter by zip codes or the first couple digits of a zip code to find open RFQs with at least one approved source that's within that zip code. Let's see how we do this in Loocey. Let's start on the RFQs page and, once again, open the filters. From here, we'll add an Advanced Related Data Filter and select Approved Sources. Then, let's filter by zip code. For the condition, we'll choose Starts With and enter the first 2 digits of our local zip code for this example. Once we apply it, Loocey shows only the open RFQs where at least one approved source is within that zip code. To confirm, open the NSN dialog by clicking on NSN link. Under Approved Sources, if you scroll to the right, you'll see the zip code column, and we can confirm that at least one approved source has our filter zip code. To view the full address, click on the cage code of that approved source. This will open another dialog and show you the full address and other details. Again, this is an amazing way to gain more business with minimal competition in your local market and create a long-term relationship with the manufacturer. You can even avoid the shipping fees and go pick up the products in person. Next, #4 on our list is Loocey's contract management features, which help you track and manage contracts in one place. Staying on top of your bids, their statuses, notes, and overall progress is essential to being successful in the DLA business. Loocey makes this easy with the one-click copy feature, which allows you to copy RFQ solicitation details directly into the bidding board and start tracking. Let's see how this works in Loocey. Go to the RFQs page. From here, we'll select the RFQs we want to work on and use the one-click copy option to copy them to the bidding board. With a single click, Loocey copies all the solicitation details, including parts and approved sources, and organizes everything into the CRM bidding workflow. Once the copy is complete, let's go to the bidding board. Here, we can see all the newly copied RFQs, track their status, add notes, request supplier quotes, and manage each bid from one central place. This helps prevent missed follow-ups and gives you full visibility into every RFQ you're working on. In the bidding board, you have full control over the data. You can make changes directly on the table or open the side panel and make changes from the side panel. You can also take notes from the side panel too as needed. System will capture the date time of the note as well as the person who made the comment. Let's close the right panel and go back to the list view. Loocey gives you predefined statuses to help you track the status, but Loocey is a very flexible system. You can edit the statuses, change colors, or even add new ones as needed. You can also assign them to team members to spread out the work. Loocey is a multi-user platform. Note that the filters also work the same way on the bidding board. You can create one or more filters to track solicitations in different stages. For instance, let's create a new filter for ready-to-bid items. Open Filters, add filter and select Bid Status column and select Ready to Bid as the value and hit Apply. Then simply save as new and name it Ready to Bid. And now we'll see our new saved filter at the top and we can easily navigate to this filter. There are many more features including Kanban views, label maker and more. Be sure to check out our other videos. Finally, number 5 on our list is Loocey's bid calculation features. Proper bid calculations are extremely important in this business. If you bid too high, you won't win. If you bid too low, you can easily end up upside down and lose money on the contract. Luckily, bid calculations are built directly into Loocey. Once you copy an RFQ to the bidding board, it automatically copies the approved sources and makes them suppliers in your list as well. Then you simply follow the process of sending RFQ emails, selecting a supplier for the bid, entering product and service details, and all the important numbers will automatically be calculated for you. Let's try it and see how it works. Earlier, we had copied an RFQ to the bidding board. Mouse over Open RFQ icon, click to open in Detail View, or simply right-click and open in a new tab to go into the detail view of the RFQ. In the detail view, we'll see the status at the top along with RFQ ID. Then RFQ details are in the middle section, so you have all the information in front of you. Then we have different tabs. Supplier quotes is where we'll see the copied approved sources along with part number and other details. We can select them and open bulk email sender to do our RFQ emails, change their status as needed, and more. Be sure to check our video related to RFQ emails for a more in-depth tutorial. In product details, you'll see most of the information already populated from our one-click copy. Now we just need to select a supplier, enter unit price, margin, and system will calculate and show the details at the top so we can easily see our bid unit price, total cost, margin, and profit. And finally, in the service details section, you can keep track of other costs associated with the RFQ, such as packaging, labor, or shipping. Simply enter the details and system will calculate and show you the combined cost, margin and profit, and final bid unit price. Note that at any point, you can click on the NSN link to open the NSN dialog, which will have the latest information, including information about the last award unit price and NSN history. This gives you a complete financial picture before you place your bid so you can submit bids that are competitive, accurate, and profitable without doing the math manually or in Excel. This completes our tutorial today. These 5 features will streamline your process and help you win more contracts. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.